Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, today's video is gonna prepare a garlic shrimps and just remove the shells of it. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and just marinate it for a little bit. Some hours would be nice, or over the night it's even better. Yeah, just like that. Speed it up, and that's it. Just start it. For our chimichurri, we are using this long pepper, and this pepper we're gonna just crush it, yeah, in our mortar here, like you see. And now we got garlic, we got ginger, we got coriander, and we got parsley. We're gonna cut it everything more or less small, not that small, because we don't use the mortar for the sauce, yeah, kind of pesto we're gonna prepare, yeah, it's because we're gonna smash it. You see, our herbs are just like this, roughly. And now we got some lime juice, some salt, and squeeze the limes. Yeah, we're using 2 limes at this time, and later on we got a third one. It depends after we taste it how it looks like. If we need more, we of course add it. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna start the process of our sauce. Just like you see, smash it, or if you want to cut it very small, everything together is also an option. Yeah, I'm using this method with a mortar, kind of a pesto preparer. It's just the matter of how you like. Yeah, today I'm using it, but next time probably I just cut it everything very small and will also work perfectly. It's just like that. Well, look, I'm done. Just this is the idea. A little bit of oil, and we got some red bell pepper. We're gonna cut it here very small. You see, I wanted to add the red color of it. Yeah, that's why I'm just cutting it, and just at the end. Yeah, and now we just remove it, and now you check your salt, your acidity, your spiciness, and then you probably are done, or you can just add anything else you like. Yeah, for me it's like that. It's perfect, just very easy. Yeah, and now we got our goal here. This is to boost up the power, to empower the flavor of your dishes. This is the oil I left you already in the channel to prepare this oil. This is an infusion of the heads of the shrimps, and look, once you heat it up, it's just an oil but with a lot of flavor on it. And I just squeeze here a little bit of garlic here and heat it up a little bit. Once it's heated up, just remove it because we don't want to burn it. Yeah, just we need the flavor of it only on our oil. That's it. Just remove it, and very, very, very small pieces will stay. You can do this process at the end, only fresh garlic, but I just did it right now. Now we're gonna put our shrimps. It's just a matter of 1 minute each side, and it's done. Yeah, like you see, once we're finished putting the last shrimp, we are almost ready to turn it on the first one we add to the pan. Just like that. Just heat it up, not overheat it, because we don't want to burn the rest of garlic we got and anything. Yeah, just as very sensible meat. Yeah, just 1 minute, 1.5, just turn it, and once you finish, you can just turn the heat off, and because it will take that time. Yeah, and we got the garlic shrimps already done. Look, the last one, we're gonna turn it, and you can just turn it off, because with the remaining heat you got in the pan, it will be cooked perfect. And now just plate it, just plate it on the however you like, and we add the garlic at the end to our sauce, and we're gonna pour the garlic here together with the rest of the oil we got, and we are topping it with our chimichurri with pepper. That's it, and I hope you like it. Hope you can enjoy this anytime. This is a very easy and very tasty garlic shrimps you can prepare at home, very easy, and enjoy it. Thank you very much. Hit that thumb up button, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just leave them here in the bottom. Thank you very much and enjoy it.